you. Now you know. Engineer, tell me you're looking like a studio. So no make it.
I could get a niece, baby.
Let the video viral. Repeat the music for me. Share the video, let the video viral. It's your brother, your friend, New Generation Prophet Atifi. Hey, subscribe to my YouTube, Prophet Atifi Talk Show. Subscribe there. They just call me now, say when I call, do remembrance in Negotia Agri. For this man, when I do show. The people tell me, say they give Akube money, sing for them. Today, Akube can sing the sing, come out. Now they come give me the posters. The pikin from Ugo for Yoko Nyomo. They come give their papa enoye ewewu. Yes. Now very short video. Now good evening. Now welcome. God will bless all of you. And I mean my brother, new generation prophet attitude. I just did for work just now. When I just do my last video, when I dey come house, I come see some family. They come call me. The family when it comes, so they come from Ugo for Yoko. Now someone really family. They say when I can't tell their father, say the pikin will live for her life. They see their life will say that he don't read the time without remember them for 2 years anniversary. You might even attire. You know, say I don't go Pidgin English school. Now as I go, I need to talk. Make una take for me in a very short video. I don't want to take. They say they can't tell their father any no ye. Small son, small co. Now I say when I come help them deliver them. You know go see the picture when I just show since when I show them again. Now someone really. For Ugo community, for Yoko now for come. This man, he born many pikin. Some day for US, some day for America, some day for Granada. He see get for some for France, he get some for Spain. This man, now person where they know, he live 100 something years. I don't know the 20 years we continue. 100 something years now he live. This man, I saw already from Ugo. Yoko I beg. This man. Now man where they know for Yoko I say, oh, now someone really. Now man, when he's strong. Now man, when he talk truth. Now man, when he train all the pikin. This one, now man, when he jump Golobango. Oh, Golobango atai, man atai, Golobango. Jambole. This man is the man where jump Jambole. For this our papa time. Now know the thing they call Jambole. Now this all those one I do one. This one as someone really a great man for Yoko one where they know. He born many pikin. All the pikin no one no train go school. Some graduate for America, some graduate for Nigeria, some graduate for Spain, some graduate for France. These are someone really a person where we know right from time. Now Baba when he strong, no be Baba when he cool. So, as they call me, I can't know this as someone reading for Yekorion. The time when I dey grow, they come, I don't go this man place for someone reading. For one street, when it bend like this, the street bend. As the street bend for Yekorion, if you pass a Uloko, for the place where I don't want to mention and finish, the street bend, I don't go this man place. This man, now my papa, if I say when I call a Bajugolo father, now it be to me. Now I can use this opportunity. If pikin, they get money not be small, they graduate not be small, they can give, I could sing for them. Uwonu, ukera uwonwe. Erima wa to wa pere iminu ye. Ovekere we onikere. Even after I do it, even if you were here, no making any what baba. A monusia yagmon, iwe ya fe. Iya winya ragmon, no day mean, iya no ayerun, suya, we no ayerun, suya wota. Azokwo. No, siya koto, no, only as near day. And I wouldn't do waji, none when able to remembrance. Ena di ina do lema kama wewe vekere ewukere asoma ri na opiana kele Yokori no opia na ya yo opiana setiti ero ma no ono se manado waji imile bote remembrance manado wenwe wa to baba ofo egbere baba ni de gbegi e ma wa ni bi edo ya fe when it is ya we give me ubo asonre na he from Yekori omo in one bi e pe na ni hin yan because of my yo bodamu yan we yan we wani ina pe ne aso riri na yokori won ugo e wona ti ugo yokori won kere o wa ya to of wayagbe iviedo no ruwa kinorisi meno vi one waya new generation prophet atiti e ti amubo pegbe e video na wage vara wage se varabo e ti amubo pegbe wegbe bo na utana bi nude baptism na oya me ladian utana nudaji na remembrance na oya me ladian omo no enigbe awoku ya ga bi ona bi omo no enigbe emi kege keni ajere yanre e mo na si oko ina mu egbe na ti WhatsApp group ina giti we ya we o we benu riri ya we ina ka mi ya wi gwazebo I don't know how to speak broken English ina we omo na mo ije e mekin ina we benu riri ya we ina ga mi eme yi benu riri ya we iwe ni mona wa ga ri oboye mi wo gbe ogba wa ri oboye mi wo ta ogba ason riri family na no ki ko ri onre wugo wana enwe Ima bunwe na te emotional speaker. Ima bunwe na te emotional speaker wana we new generation prophet atiti guma ta be no riri ya ta ogari enima wa ya wesi wa yokpa ori manuwa wa yefa ori manuwa ora fu wa gbe ogogogo fo obu wa pogbon na lai na eri wa we ni ka mu wa we emi ogbon e wa ya we mi owo emujanu wa owe emujanu wa wuta owo eja gbe wa fun wa eja gbe wa san owo piano munya wa ya fefe owo mi awun do ogbope arin e na do ka mu wa awon wa ago tori emi yi awon wa ago tori owe yi owo fu wa ya gbe. Ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome, you are all blessed. It's me, your brother, Prophet Atiti. I'm about to cut this video because it's a short video. So if you remember for our big daddy from Yokoriomo, from Ugo community, it's an anniversary, it's remembrance, it's an aye. So anywhere I put it, the sons, they called me, they said they will like the way anywhere I put it. I'm not a MOC. I'm not a presenter. I'm not emotional speaker, as they say. You are all welcome. Share this video to Vera, to meet Vera. So as someone in the family, you are all blessed. Anywhere you are, part of the around the glue. So, Madam and Mr., my brothers, my friends, the people that press follower for me, people that give me love, your days belong. You will see who will remember you all the days of your names. You will see who will stand by you. You will see who will be your keeper. You will see who will be your brother's keeper. As this man, we can't remember his papa, so we can't remember their father, these people, so as somebody in the family. Now, so God go to remember now for money, for good thing. Now, so God go to remember for a good thing, for evening, not be for death. So, I'm about to cut this video. If your today is first time of seeing my video across the glue, please rally subscribe to my YouTube. Oh, the channel no the man na get here. Oh, if you are man, oh you go to lock, oh you go to lock, oh you go to lucky. I don't know what it is they call them whether na channel. Oh, if you go channel, you know see what you know about Atiti Top Show. If you go channel, you know see please rally subscribe to Atiti Top Show. It's a short video. I'm not going to come out for now because of the remembrance I was asked this evening. Please, subscribe to Atiti Top Show. Now me, Prophet Atiti, New Generation Top Show. I'm going to subscribe. As I come out for my YouTube, I'm going to give you a sweet word. I'm going to make una, what you going to make una jolly. You know, so all of us, they look body for here. We don't know some people, the kind of sickness where they get for inside their house. If many people call me for video call, many people call me, or many people when I deceive for outside, our Benin Bible will say that they look body, they don't know what inside body carry. I go pona yo am in book be me. So if you be man wait there for here today when you call watch me if you click up, God go bless you for money, He go bless you for evening. Every happiness, He go full for your hand. As some already family. Una do well. as una come call me say when I come do una papa remembrance, AG, God go bless una for morning, God go bless una for evening. I not be MOC, I not be presenter, I not be motivational speaker. But I surprised when I dey come. I was very shocked, I was very surprised. As someone already family for Ugo Yokoriomo, they come call me say when I do their father remembrance. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. They say they want me, they only see me for platform. I go you the talk and here I take talk and they go accept them for me. I beg, when I took out for the let's go there, when I show that there are some already, he live for 100 and something years. If you see he live for 100 and something years, this man will the talk so. So when I show them I'm gonna see the man. Where I will first start to show now be the calendar where Pikin, he get many grandson, he get many son, he get many yenye, he get many sakpogodi. Look now the man be this. Una see the calendar where they write so many day. Mr. and Mrs. if you there, husband and wife if you there, single if you there, trader if you there, businessman if you there, chevron if you there, all the list where they write so no one know the America, he did there. Granada, he did there. Spain, he did there. France, he did there. If you not see the Canada. So why show na the man? This man a very strong man where he John Jaboli for our place. Now the man where people know for the town from Yokoriomo for go community and the man be this una say and so. If Pikin they call me say when I do remembrance for their father, I want to do another do one before. Now I can't say one take like this do one. Any I take do one, make una take am for me as someone already pick family. God go bless una for money. Una papa say anything una put one. He say so una remember and today where they complete 2 years. He say na Google thing go dey happen for una house. Say na Google thing una go dey receive. Anything una put one, they go dey good. He say man and woman go dey get favor for una. Now I wait till prayer where someone already tell me for spiritual. Now I can't pray for una so. Any man will stand for una progress. Any woman will stand for una progress. The people when they go church, they say thunder of God. Me tell and say Avanuku Towa Bokpiani, Avanuku Towa Bokpiani. So share the video, let the video viral. If today is first time of coming to my place, as I say, please share the video, let the video viral. Please, man and woman, or west and well wishers, Mr. and Mrs., lady and gentlemen, you are all welcome to this show this evening. God bless you. The peace of the reign upon your life. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prophet Atiti Top Show. If you look channel all day, you look Top Show. Anyone will foresee Prophet Atiti, you go know say na me. I want to start to do my first show or my second show for YouTube. I beg make una subscribe, una come listen to the secret word una go receive. I beg make una share this video, make viral. Bloggers, Iyobosa, carry and make the carry the go. Vera, share and make it Vera, make you the carry the go. Now so I talk a race for this evening. All of una good evening. I greet the Pikin, all the old Pikin when he join together, when he bring up for me. God go bless you now. Anything you wanna put in hand, it go better for now.